Degree BA and BCom College, Dharwad. My name is Anita. I am handling Business Statistics subject for BCom third STEM students. Last class we have solved problems based on the frequency distribution table in a discrete frequency distribution table. In this class I am going to solve the problems based on continuous frequency distribution. First we have to find out. First one is, from the following information of 40 workers wages in a rupee, taking the class interval as 40 to 49, 50 to 59 inclusive class intervals. Okay, 76, 78, 100, 72, 73, 63, 95, 81, 80, 71, 83, 56, 59, 70, 94, 75, 77, 73, 69, 78, 41, 65, 79, 42, 51, 115, 67, 79, 42, 51, 82, 50, 80, 84, 103, 60, 84, 90, 69, 77. Okay, they have given 40 workers wages in a rupee. Okay, let us start the problem. The problem. Frequency distribution table of 40 workers. Distribution table of 40 workers. 3 column, class interval, tally bars and the frequency. Class interval, tally bars, frequency. CI, tally bar, and the last one is frequency. Okay, they are given information 40 to 49, 50 to 59. Okay, 9 is the class interval difference irbekante. First we have to find out highest and the lowest frequency. Highest and the lowest frequency in the given information. Okay. 1115 is the highest. Highest is 115. Lowest is 41. Lowest is 41. Okay. 42, 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 99, 100 to 109, okay, 110 to 119. If this is find out, this is class intervals. Okay, and next. First one is 76. 76 comes under class interval of 70 to 79. Okay. Next, 78. This also comes under 70 to 79 class interval. 100. 72 comes under 70 to 79. 73 also. 63 comes under 60 to 69 class interval. Next 95 comes under 100 to 119. 90 to 99. 81 comes under 80 to 89. 80 also comes under here only. 71. 83 comes under 80 to 89. 56 comes under 50 to 59. 59 comes under here only. 70, 70 to 79. 94 comes under 92, 99. 75 comes under 72, 79. 77 comes under here only. Okay. 73 also. Next 69 comes under 62, 69. 73, 78 comes under 72, 79. Next 41, 65, 79. Okay, 42, 51, 115 comes under here. 122, 119. Next 67 comes under 62, 69. Next 79, 72, 79. Okay, 42 comes under 42, 49. 51 comes under 52, 59. 82 comes under 82, 89. 50 comes under 52, 59. 80, 82, 89. 84 here only. Next 103 comes under 100 to 119, 109. 60 comes under 60 to 69. 84, 80 to 89. 90, 90 to 99. 69, 60 to 69. 77, 70 to 79. I hope you understood how to calculate inclusive class intervals by using frequency, okay, or by using given information. Next one is frequency. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, last one is 1. Add all the frequencies, okay. 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 13 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. We will get total number of information given in the problem. 40. Okay. Next one is we have to calculate range. Therefore, range is equal to highest minus lowest. Highest is 115 minus lowest is 41. Highest is 115, lowest is 41. Is our range. 74 is our range. Okay, I hope you understood. This is what ನಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವೇನು ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಚ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾ, ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್. ಪೆನ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ. ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು find out the class intervals which are given in the problem. Based on those class intervals, we have to find out the class intervals. The next one is problem number 2. Number 2. From the following frequency distribution, marks of 40 students taking exclusive class interval width is 5. ನಮಗೆ 5 ವಿಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೇ ನಮಗೆ 0 to 4, 4 to 5, 40 to 45 ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಈ ಸಲ ನಮಗೆ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಅವೆರಡದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು 5 ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ 40 ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, 18, 10, 4, 46, 21, 15, 18, 19, 42, 25, 5, 11, 24, 25, 25, 9, 20 and 2, 30, 42, 18, 32, 40, 32, 10, 24, 38, 32, 48, 35, 18, 46, 18, 28, 36 and the last one is 40. First we have to find out highest and the lowest lowest value in the given information. Highest is first lowest node. Lowest matte highest value na we have to find out. Lowest is 2. Highest is 46. Okay, highest is 46. Minimum 2. Maximum 46. Therefore, range is equal to highest minus lowest. 46 minus 2, 44 is our range. Okay, next one is frequency distribution table of 40 students. Frequency distribution table of 40 students. Okay. 3 columns, class interval, tally bars and the last one is frequency. Last one is frequency. Class interval, tally bars, frequency. Okay, width how much? 5. Okay, now in the lowest number is 2. That is 0 to 4. Inclusive. Inclusive andre a number togar next number togಬೇಕು. 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24. Okay, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 35 to 39, 40 to 49. Okay, last one is 40 to 49. 46 comes under 40 to 49. Last one is 40 to 49. Okay, 18 comes under 15 to 19. Okay, 10 comes under 10 to 14. 4 comes under 0 to 4. 46 comes under 40 to 49. 40 to 44. Next one is 45 to 49. Okay, this comes under 40 to 49. Okay, 21 comes under 20 to 24. 15 comes under 15 to 19. 18 comes under 15 to 19. 19 comes under 15 to 19. 42 comes under 40 to 44. Next 25 comes under 20 to 29, 25. Okay. Next one is 5. 5 comes under 5 to 9. 11 comes under 10 to 14. 24 comes under 20 to 24. 25 comes under 25 to 29. 25 comes under 25 to 29. 9 comes under 5 to 9. 20 comes under 20 to 24. 2 comes under 0 to 4. Okay. 30 comes under 30 to 34. 42 comes under 40 to 44. 18 comes under 15 to 19. 32 comes under 30 to 34. 40 comes under 40 to 44. 32 comes under 32 34. 10 comes under 10 to 14. 24 comes under 20 to 24. 38 comes under 35 to 39. 32 comes under 30 to 34. 48 comes under 45 to 49. 35 comes under 35 to 39. Okay, 18 comes under 15 to 19. 46 comes under 45 to 49. 18 comes under 15 to 19. 28 comes under 25 to 29. 36 comes under 35 to 39. 40 comes under 40 to 44. Okay, I hope you understood the tally bar. The next one is frequency. 2. Next one is 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 3. 4. Last one is 3. And 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 3, 4, 3. Total is 40. Total is 40. I hope you understood the problems based on continuous frequency distribution. The last sum based on this continuous frequency is. Next problem. From the following frequency table, taking class interval of width 10 by using exclusive class intervals. I hope you understood inclusive. ಈಗ exclusive class intervals ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು sums solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 98, 36, 83, 42, 72, 32, 28, 54, 35, 43, 50, 85, 70, 23, 66, 46, 82, 45, 53, 64, 40, 45, 50, 45, 24, 56, 96, 82, 86, 60, 100, 56, 65, 58, 78, 90, 69, 28, 82 and the last one is 50. First we have to find out highest and the lowest value. Highest and the lowest. Highest is 100. Lowest is 23. Okay. Lowest is 23. Minimum 23. Maximum 100. Therefore, range is equal to highest minus lowest. 100 minus 23. 10 over 3 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 7. 10 over 2 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 8. 8 over 1 ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ? 10 over 3 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 7. Okay, 77 is our range. The problems. Frequency table. Frequency table by using exclusive class intervals. Frequency distribution. Table by using exclusive class intervals. Three columns. First one is class interval, second one is tally bar, third one is frequency. Class interval, tally bars, frequency. Okay, they have mentioned class interval width is 10. Okay, highest is 100, lowest is 23, 22, 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. Okay, this is our class interval. Let us start the tally bars. 98 comes under 90 to 100. Okay, 36 comes under 30 to 40. 83 comes under 80 to 90. 42 comes under 40 to 50. 72 comes under 70 to 80. Okay, 32 comes under 30 to 40. 28 comes under 20 to 30. Okay, 54 comes under 50 to 60. 35 comes under 30 to 40. 43 comes under 50 to 40 to 50. 50 comes under 50 to 60. 85 comes under 80 to 90. 70 comes under 70 to 80. 23 comes under 20 to 30. 66 comes under 60 to 70. 46 comes under 40 to 50. 82 comes under 80 to 90. 45 comes under 40 to 50. 53 comes under 50 to 60. 64 comes under 60 to 70. 40 comes under 40 to 50. 45 comes under 40 to 50. 50 comes under 50 to 60. 45 comes under 40 to 50. 24 comes under 20 to 30. 56 comes under 50 to 60. 96 comes under 90 to 100. 82 comes under 80 to 90. Okay, next 86 comes under 80 to 90. 60 comes under 60 to 70. 100 comes under 90 to 100. 56 comes under 50 to 60. 65 comes under 60 to 70. 58 comes under 50 to 60. 78 comes under 70 to 80. 90 comes under 90 to 100. 69 comes under 60 to 70. 28 comes under 20 to 30. 82 comes under 80 to 90. 50 comes under 50 to 60. Okay, I hope you understood how to calculate the tally bars. The next one is frequency. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 3, 5, 6, 4. Okay, total 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6 and the last one is 4. Total how much? 40. Okay, I hope you understood exclusive class interval. One is construct a frequency distribution table for the following data under exclusive method taking the width as 10. This question is given in the 2014 question paper for 5 marks in section B. Okay, they have given information about 12, 23, 33, 25, 18, 35, 37, 49, 54, 51, 37, 15, 33, 42, 45, 47, 53, 55, 69, 65, 63, 46, 29, 18, 37, 46, 59, 29, 35, 27 and the last one is 47. First we have to find out highest and the lowest value in the given information. Highest matte lowest yadanthe first we have to find out. 12 is minimum, 69 is highest. minimum is 12, maximum is 69. Okay, therefore range is equal to highest minus lowest. 69 minus 12. 9 ಒಳಗೆ 2 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 7, 6 ಒಳಗೆ 1 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 5. Okay, 57 is our range. Let us solve the problems. Frequency, distribution, frequency distribution table under exclusive method. Same 3 column. First one is class interval, second one is 10 bar, last one is frequency. Frequency. Okay, highest is 69, lowest is 12. Okay, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Okay, next we have to calculate tally bars. 12 comes under 10 to 20, 33 comes under 30 to 40, 23 comes under 20 to 30, 25 comes under here only, 18 comes under 10 to 20, 35 comes under 30 to 40, 37 comes under here only, 30 to 40, 49 comes under 40 to 50, 54 comes under 50 to 60, 51 comes under 50 to 60, 37 comes under 30 to 40, 15 comes under 10 to 20, okay, 33 comes under 30 to 40, 42 comes under 40 to 50, 45 comes under 40 to 50, 47 comes under here only, 47, okay, 55 comes under 50 to 60, 69 comes under 60 to 70, 65 comes under 60 to 70, 63 also comes under here only, 46, 40 to 50, okay, next 29 comes under 20 to 30, 18 comes under 20 to 18, 10 to 20, 37 comes under 30 to 40, 46 comes under 40 to 50, 59 comes under 50 to 60, 29 comes under 20 to 30, 35 comes under 30 to 40, 27 comes under 20 to 30, 47 comes under 40 to 50. Okay, next one is frequency. 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Okay, 7, 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 7, 4, 3. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 3, 19, 20, 21. 21 plus 5, 26. 26 plus 4, 30. Okay, I hope you understood the problem. We have solved problems based on exclusive and inclusive class intervals based on frequency distribution table. Okay, thank you.